Okay, we're reviewing the FNIRSI rapid warming cordless soldering pin, soldering iron. The back of it. So let's get into it. Nice case. Got everything all laid out. Okay, everything comes pretty well packed in this case. Got some slots here. 2 of these was in there. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's 3 of these. 1 was right there. The cap was right there. And then of course the soldering iron was right here. In here was your charging cord. Looks like a couple little extra screws. Little tiny screws too. And a screwdriver. Now what you use that for is you take this screw out right here and this cap comes off, and there's supposed to be like a, let's do it real quick and see. Push down on it because it's kind of spring loaded. Hopefully you can see me doing that. You definitely don't want to do that. Don't let it drop. Luckily it didn't go anywhere. This is a little tiny screw. Be careful with it. It goes the positive side in. It's a 18650 battery. So you can either take it out of here and charge it, or when it's in here, you can charge it right there with the charging port. Comes with 3 different tips. Hopefully you can see that. A little pointed one. A curved one. And then a little bit bigger one. And to put one in, you just take it out of here. It's pretty cool that it comes with these little holders that holds these with the cover. But you just put it in here like this, and then it's in there. And the cover will still go on here, as you can see, with the tip in it. You don't have to take the tip out to put the cover on it. And it's magnetic. So that's pretty cool. And you can leave this cover on while you got the unit on and heating up so you don't burn yourself. Yeah, as you can see, hopefully it's asking you, do you want it in Chinese or English? You use these. It's not touchscreen, so you use these buttons, put it in English, and now it's asking you, do you want it in Celsius or Fahrenheit? I want it in Fahrenheit. Now it says hit the OK button again, and it turns on. Now it's heating up. You see it? Hopefully you can see that. I know that didn't heat up that goddamn fast. Now you got different settings here. 1 is 480, 2 is 570, 3 is 660, 4 is 750, 8 is 840. Got a little piece of wire set up right here. We're going to try it and see how it does. Let's try to heat up the wire first, see how long it takes. Okay, just to show you, let's see if I can get that little piece of solder in my fingers. Hopefully you can see that. You see it is on. I got it on 840. You see it smoking? You see it's on 840. Let's move it down. It's supposed to stay, even if you solder and then move to another piece of solder and move to another piece, it's supposed to stay at that temperature. And you see you can touch, once you get it set, these are just like 660, 570, 480. You can turn it up and down. You see that? You can turn it up and down by hitting these buttons if you want it more or less. Now, this is the FNIRSI HS03 cordless soldering pin. But here's a user manual. So what I want to show you once it gets done is how you get into the settings. You hit it twice, and then you hit it twice again. Wait. Now you're in the menu. settings menu. Sleep set, handle set, and then system settings. And to get to them, you just hit the up and down buttons here. System settings, you got language, hand mode, right now it's in right, volume's on, brightness is all the way up, firmware update, and about. And then you got factory reset. So that's pretty cool, in case you was just wondering how to get into the menu. You double click it, and then to get out of it, you just double it again. You see you went out of there, system settings, now you're in the regular menu. Okay, you see right here, it's on language or hand mode, right? Let's go down, just to show you right now, if you're holding it in your right hand, hopefully you can see that the screen is the right way. Put it in your left hand, it's upside down. So let's switch that. Let's see if it'll switch. Let's go to left. Hit OK. Look at there. Now you're holding it in your right hand and it's upside down. But it's right for your left hand. That's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool that it has that, huh? Switch it back to right hand. Double click to get out of it, and then hit that once to go back to heating. Now it says this thing heats up within 7 seconds. You can start melting solder. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if that's, I haven't timed it, so I don't know if that's true or not, but as you've seen a while ago, it did pretty quick. This is just not a very good solder joint right there, but you can see it soldered it. All right, that's the review of this FNIRSI soldering iron. As you can see, it's cordless. Runs off a battery. That's pretty awesome. And I don't know if I mentioned, but you can use this, like if you take the battery out of here, take that screw out right there, and then open this up, take the battery out like I showed. You can close it back, put the screw back in it with no battery in it, and you can use it with a USB-C charger. You know, like if you have the little brick things that plugs in, you know what I'm saying, it charges this. Or you can even use a power bank, just like a battery power bank to power this, and it'll work. That's pretty awesome. I didn't pay for this. They sent it to me to review, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. This thing is pretty awesome. It's probably more suited towards people that's repairing like computer boards, more so than doing car wiring, like the PCB, printed computer boards and stuff like that, and doing small stuff, really small wires, you know, like for robots or remote control cars or whatever, small stuff. This is really great for that, especially on computer boards, because the tips are really small and it heats up really quick. So that's awesome. And you don't have to worry about a cord, and you don't have to worry about it taking forever to heat up, because it says it heats up in 7 seconds. So far, this thing is sweet. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.